welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new Stitch Fix. I know it's been a white hot minute since I've been on this channel, but sometime in January I tripped over our 2-year-old dog's one of her toys late at night and I actually broke my foot. So I've been in a surgical boot, you know, to go in and out and run errands, and it's finally starting to slowly heal. I'm not wearing the boot today and I can put pressure on it, but I'm more or less still wearing like my Ugg slippers. Just they're the most comfortable thing that I own right now if I'm not wearing the surgical boot. So in my try on, that's probably what you're gonna see. But anyways, let me go back. And again, I'm sorry that it's been a while, but I do have a new Stitch Fix and I wanna share it with you. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, how it works. Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. You sign up, and the first time that you sign up, you get paired with a stylist. They will style you. And if you've never used Stitch Fix before, feel free to use the link in my comments, because if you use that link, you will get your first style fee waived and $25 to shop in your first Stitch Fix, and I'll also get $25. So it's a win-win. But I want to get right to my note, and I'm going to read it, and then we're going to get right to this try-on, because why not? So I have Courtney again today, and Courtney styled me a couple of times prior to me falling and breaking my foot. I used her because I had asked one day something I saw in the freestyle, so she helped me and she's been styling me since I reached out a couple of months ago to her. But I've been doing Stitch Fix for quite a few years. I think, I don't even know what number fix this is, but it's up there. It's probably around 100. So anyways, so happy to be styling another fix together. And as I'm reading this, she sent all of this paperwork and there's a note at the top. So again, so happy to be styling another fix together. You made such smart choices in your preview, especially with your wear now and into spring goal in mind. The navy We Wander commuter pants are a great answer to your note about needing easy pants with your medical boot. The relaxed athletic vibe should work well for movement while still looking pulled together. Pair them with the new Thread and Supply tee for an effortless, comfy combo you can layer up or down. For a cozier yet spring-ready top, you can choose the short sleeve Market and Spruce open weave sweater. It's perfect with either the We Wander pant or the discounted Pistola vintage bootcut jeans. When you want denim that feels current, let me know how everything works with your boot and what you'd like more of next time. So that's my note, and as I go through this try on, you will see a card prior to the outfit, whether it's 1 or 2 depending upon what I try on, with the item and the pricing and the style and all of that, and I'll also tell you as I try on, so keep that in mind. However, I already have the first outfit on, so I'm gonna get right to this try on. So give me a moment and I'll be right back and we'll go through this try on. Okay, I'm back. And I have the first outfit on. And in the first outfit, which I'm looking at this card, and things are getting cut off. So let me go to the app, because that sometimes happens on the paperwork. Item information gets cut off. So let's go through. Okay. It's telling me it can't load my, there we go. Okay, let's see. So the first, and when I pan down you'll see them, but I am wearing the Pistola Alley high-rise vintage ankle boot cut jean, and they are 50% off right now. They are coming in at $78.97 in a size 4. And also on top, when I pan out, you will see this is a new arrival. It is by Thread and Supply. It is the Corrie tee. It is $45 in a size small. So, okay, without further ado, let's go through the try on. and I will be panning down, but I want you to see this t-shirt is literally in a white, and it looks like almost like a Kelly green stripe. So very apropos. It's beginning of March. I'm filming this on March 1st. So we're looking at St. Patrick's Day coming up, and I front tucked it into the jeans. If it wasn't front tucked, as I back away, you can see the full length of the top and the jeans. I'm gonna pan down, but these are the jeans. They have working pockets in the front, working in the back. We're gonna pan down in a moment so you can see them better. Okay, I am panned down, and sorry for the tag in the way, but these are the jeans, and I just front tucked the Corrie blouse back in the top. Here's the back. I'm lifting the shirt so you can see it better. I'm walking away so you can see the length. And again, like I said, I'm literally just wearing my UGG slippers with the platform for my foot right now. But, yeah, I mean, they are cute. So I'm going to bring you back up and I'm going to talk a second before I... Okay, as promised, I am back with the next top. I kept the jeans on, so let me get my glasses and let me see if it's not cut off or not. If it is, well, yep, this one is cut off. So let me go back to the app. I'm sorry, I should have had that just opened. My bad. Just hang on. Okay. This one, if you didn't see the card prior, is Market and Spruce. This is the Crochet open weave short sleeve sweater. It is $55 and it is a size small. And it also is saying a new arrival. Okay, so I do have something I think similar to this from last year. I actually have to go into my closet. I did not. Spoiler alert, because again, it's been so cold and I haven't looked at my clothes from last year for spring yet. I have not even gotten into that mindset. But I did front tuck it. I'll untuck it in a minute. I put my belt from Ever Eve from a couple of months ago with it. And I'll want you to see the full length. I think it's cute, but like I said, I feel like I have something similar in my closet. If I don't, it's not a deal breaker. I want to come closer so you can see it's very open weave, and like a beige color. It's cute. I mean, and sorry, I think my necklace. Sorry, I tried it on. I didn't realize my necklace was underneath. And I have a bodysuit from Free People underneath because it's very open weave. So I layered my bodysuit underneath it for just because if I wore it without, you'd see everything. But here's the full length, by the way, just so you can see it. Like I said, it is spring forward and it is cute, but I do want to see. I feel if it's not, it might be a cardigan I have that I bought last year. I think it was SEREIN last year, which, yeah, I do have something in my fix in that brand, but not this. This was Market and Spruce. But again, I'm going to look at the try on and you tell me your thoughts as well. But I now have one more outfit and I'm going to get into that so you can see that. So give me a moment and I'll be back. So I'm back and now I have a completely different outfit on. So remember my reader's back on so I can tell you what I am wearing. And I'm going to use the phone. So on top, and I'll pan out so you can see it better. This is by SEREIN. This is the Megan Quilted Knit Bomber in a size small, $59. And on the bottom, when I pan down further, you will see the We Wander AllSet Commuter Lightweight Woven Track Stripe Athletic Pant. Sorry. Size small, $69. So just so you know, the most expensive item in this fix were the jeans I was just wearing. Everything else is coming in, and the jeans aren't even that bad. They're like $80. everything is coming in between $80 and $45. So this is actually a pretty reasonable fix by all intents and purposes. But let me come closer. I don't know if you can see it. It is like a quilted print, but it's in white. And this is really very spring forward, and I am kind of liking it, to be honest. I don't have anything in my wardrobe, and it's like a good layer. It's cute. It has like drawstrings at the bottom, so you could pull it in a little bit. You could pull it out. It fits nicely. I don't know if you can see side, back. And I'm going to pan down for these pants, but I really like these pants. With the boot that I've been wearing, with the surgical boot, these would work perfect. They are a little bit wider on the bottom, and in the house when I wear slippers, they'd work. And then even when I get out of them and I wear sneakers, I think these would work very nicely heading into the spring. So I'm going to pan down, see. Okay, so I want you to see, again, I'm still wearing the bodysuit, but they're just elastic in the waist. They have pockets, which I really like, because I have a pair of track pants that are navy, just like these, but they have the red. They're from Daydreamer, from Evereve, and they don't have pockets, so I love that these have pockets. And they're not sweatpants. They are more like, I'll have to take a look at the fabric, but they're not sweatpants. They are a lighter weight for heading into the warmer weather. And there is the back. I don't know if you can see. I'm kind of trying to come in. And again, just with my slipper, but you can see it's a wide leg. I really like these, and I haven't been spending. I'm going to come back up and talk. Okay, sorry about that. I was saying I haven't been spending as much because of everything that happened to me with breaking my foot and wearing the boot on my foot and just feeling like it's hard. I've been wearing a lot of like wide leg. I have the Spanx Air Essentials pants. I have sweatpants. I have like the track. I have the silk ones, but they're the black and the white. Been wearing those. Like, I've been trying so hard to wear things that I can wear my slipper on the one foot when I go out, the platform UGG, but the boot on the other, because I also have a bad back, so I have to be even in the way I walk. It's awful. I will admit, like, my wardrobe for the last 6 weeks is like, I haven't really been wearing jeans. It's depressing. But that said, I haven't been shopping because I'm like, well, I don't need anything right now. So I just kind of let it go because it is what it is. So because of that, this is my first fix in about 4 weeks, and it feels good to actually be trying on the clothes and doing what I need to for me. But as I'm backing up, it's just nice to be able to say, maybe I could buy something now, like these track pants, get used out of them while I'm still finishing up with the boot, and then be able to move back into, if I have to, the Uggs until it warms up, or the, sneakers as I can get back into a sneaker again. So yeah, that's where my mind is at. And this piece I kind of like because, again, it's white and you're heading into spring, and we're changing the clocks next weekend. And I was just saying this morning that I feel like there's a light at the end of the tunnel, so to speak. So yeah, like the airy light colors you can wear again. And I don't know, I'm rambling, but what I'm trying to say is this is kind of like, this could work for now and it can work for later for me. But I just kind of did a little bit of a wrap up without realizing it, but I'm going to get my paperwork and we're going to just do a wrap up. So hang on. Okay, I'm back and I'm going to do a wrap up. So for all of the items in this fix, and I want to show you, I'm probably going to walk away in a minute to get the jeans, because I don't know if I actually said to you the jeans have a light distressing on them. So I did kind of want to highlight that in case you didn't see it. But let me just get to the subtotal. There are 5 items in this fix. for all of the items. Comes in at $306.97. There is a buy all discount, so if you buy 5 or more in the fix, you get 25% off. The buy all is $76.74. So the order subtotal would be $230.23, and it's free shipping. So the buy all is actually the cost of the jeans pretty much. The buy all is $76.74. The jeans are $78.97. So it's like a difference of $2 for the jeans. But let me show you those jeans. Okay, I have all the items. And like I said, I'm going to go through real quick. So you saw the Market and Spruce. This was, again, really cute, $55, but I still got to go back in my closet to see if I have something similar. This Thread and Supply, I like it, but I also kind of feel like, I don't know, the material, it's soft, but I'm not sure. Let me take a look. So the other shirt was crochet, but this, let me see the tag to tell you. It's polyester, 47% polyester, and 47% modal, and 6% spandex. It is nice, and like for St. Patrick's Day, it'd be kind of cute, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna look back at the try on, and you tell me as well. But like I mentioned about these jeans, I wanted to show you. So it's kind of on the leg. So I can get it for you. Where is it? Can you see it? It's just very lightly distressed. It's not terrible by any means, but there is a light distressing in case I didn't hit upon that. I do like these. I am going to try to wear them around and see if they do stretch out, as people are saying, because the pricing on them is not bad, but yeah, I don't know. Anyways, now you've seen everything in this fix, and I think this was a good one. I mean, overall, I think I picked all the items, possibly maybe this jacket. I don't know. There was something that she added. I feel like it was either this top or the jacket. I know the jeans were in there, the We Wander pants, and that crocheted top. I know I definitely chose them in my preview. So, again, overall, really good fix. I can't complain. Again, I'm going to look back at this try on, and when I post this, I hope that you'll give me feedback and let me know your thoughts. But now I just want to say to returning subscribers, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. Again, I know I'm not here as often, and the last month and a half, almost 2 months, I know I've been absent completely with just everything that was going on with me with breaking my foot. But I'm glad to be here today and share my latest fix with you. And again, just thank you for your friendship and your support. If you are not a subscriber, please feel free to hit that subscribe below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And again, if you want to sign up for Stitch Fix, look in the comments below and you can use my referral link to get your first fix for the style fee completely waived, and for $25 to shop your own first fix. Again, just thank you everyone for, all your support and continued support here. That said, I think that's a wrap on this fix, and just have a magical day, and bye for now.